doing a quick size comparison between the three Magpul DAKA suppressor pouches, large, medium, small. Not a lot of videos on YouTube that actually shows what fits. I have some suppressors here to see what fits and what doesn't fit. So first one we have the Magpul DAKA suppressor pouch in small. Let's see. Small. Right, a little under 10 inches. And this will fit the Spectre 9. So the Dead Air Lazarus 6, it will not fit. Actual opening is 7 inches. Suppressor is about 6.5 inches, but it will not fit. Medium, 10.5 inches. The opening is right at about 7.5. This will fit the Lazarus 6 with no issues. There you go. Omega 300 with the brake will not fit. You can see. Will not fit. Without the brake, it will fit. Omega 300 where the brake is right a little over 7 inches. Will not fit the medium-sized DAKA pouch, suppressor pouch. Have the large, 13 inches. Opening is about 9.5 to 10 inches. Omega 300, no problem. I don't think it will fit the Vent PTR1. Oh, well, nope. I do not think it will fit. Nope, it will not fit. Oh, no. It will fit. Barely fits. Without the suppressor pouch, without the suppressor cover, it will fit with no problems. But with the suppressor cover, it is a bit of a tight fit. There you go. Vent VTR1. At 9.5, right under, well, let's see, 9.25, 9.5 inches. There you go. We have the Magpul large, medium, small. So the small one will fit anything smaller than it's around the same size as the Spectre 9 and smaller. So there you go.